What's up, TikTok? So I didn't get this finished before dark, so I had to finish it by flashlight and porch light. So it's kind of a shoddy connection. I'll come back tomorrow and fix it. But this is the 12 cell earth battery. The other video was 6 cells. The cathodes were 7 inches, and the anodes were 3.5 inch zinc hex bolts, and about 1.5 inches sticking out the top. These are 1/3 of the size, so each one of these cells is a 2.5 inch cathode copper pipe with a 1/4 inch by 2 inch zinc lag bolt, and with about a 1/4 inch sticking out the top, 1/2 inch sticking out the top. They're wired in a series, this time with the galvanized zinc wire instead of copper wire. And I'll come back in the morning to see what the voltage is, but right now they're kind of a shoddy connection. They're all kind of loose, they're not soldered, they're just twist tied. I have one lead from my multimeter connected to the galvanized zinc wire, connected to this galvanized zinc bolt. I'm sorry, not galvanized, just zinc bolt. And the other lead of the multimeter is going to a galvanized wire connected to the copper cathode below the PVC. Nothing's touching the dirt. No wires are touching the dirt, but we're at a steady 7.3. It's climbed a little bit. About 7.25, 7.3. To give you an idea, the 12 inch by 16 inch solar panel I have, it puts out 14 volts with the same amperage as this. So if I did these are 12 in a series, if I kept going with the series and made 18 or 24, the voltage would be probably 13 to 14, like my controlled environment was. The amperage is still too low in just one series to power anything, but whatever you can charge with a solar panel that's 12 inches by 16 inches, 24 of these in a row does the same exact thing. The amperage is almost exact. I was watching them next to each other in the same setting. Their milliamps are almost exactly the same, and the output was 14 volts. This is 7 volts. I got 13 to 14 volts in my controlled environment on the tabletop. This is going to be the same scenario, so I'll wire another 6 or 12 in this series and then see what I get in the morning. But I'm gonna leave this here tonight and then come back in the morning with the multimeter again, 7.3, 7.32, and we'll see what it is in the morning. Overnight I'll solidify it and stabilize it and just keep going with some more videos in the morning. So anyway, cheers.